welcome back to my channel. So today is wash day and I'm going to be reviewing the new Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection and also my first curl box. So this is the little pamphlet that comes in the curl box. We got 5 products and it tells you information about each product. We got a power wash clarifying shampoo that's supposed to remove buildup and enhance your curl pattern. It says it cleanses strands with apple cider vinegar, healing aloe, and coconut milk, and it's supposed to restore balance. And then we got a rescue recovery conditioner. It's a deep conditioner with a blend of oils to strengthen the hair shaft and bring elasticity back to your curls. Then we got a curling jelly and a setting mousse and a shine mist. So let's get started. As you can see, we're in the kitchen today because I'm gonna be real, I wash my hair in the sink. I don't be trying to get in the shower all the time. Like if I already took a shower, I don't want to have to get back in the shower to just do my hair. So let's get started. Here's the shampoo. We're gonna work it out.
I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spinning in his red like he can relate it. Like a whistle on the brown. When I get like this, I can't be around. Till it's a dim down and out.
Okay, so I'm back after shampooing. It had great slip. It detangled my hair. My curls did define. My hair feels like squeaky clean, but doesn't feel dried out. So that's good. Now we're going in with the thirst quenching recovery conditioner. It says on clean damp hair, apply a generous amount all over hair, making sure hair is coated from roots to ends. As an intensive repair treatment, cover hair with plastic cap and sit under hooded dryer for 10 minutes. So you can use this as a deep conditioner or you can use it as a rinse out and just put it on for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it back out. Okay, here we go. The whole line smells really good. Like his grapeseed, I really like. How's that? See, we got some definition, a little definition.
You can take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spinning in his red like he came from Mayday. Like a whistle on the brown. When I get like this, I can't be around. Till it's a dim down and out. Wait. No, you wanna see me naked. No, you wanna see me naked.
Okay, y'all, so I shall return after I sit for a couple of minutes, probably about 30, and I'll let y'all know how I like the deep conditioner. Okay, so I've sat for 30 minutes and I am back. Okay. Don't see much definition or anything, but my hair feels really soft and hydrated. I'm gonna wash it out and see what happens.
Do it. Let's go. I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spinning in his red like he came from Mayday. Like a whistle on the brown. When I get like this, I can't be around. Till it's a dim down and out. Wait.
washing it out, my hair is super detangled, super soft. Has a slight definition, but it is really soft and moisturized. So it didn't come with a leave-in. So what I've always heard is, you know, just take a little bit of a conditioner or a deep conditioner and saturate it with water, and you can make your own leave-in. So I'm going to use the deep conditioner. I saturate it with water, and I'm just going to smooth it throughout my hair. Okay, that's good. I just needed some extra moisture because y'all, it's hot out here. Really hot. Okay, so today, instead of my usual wash and goes, I'm gonna do a twist out and see how that turns out. I'm gonna be doing the twist out using the Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly and the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. I was just gonna use the mousse, but I need a little hole, so I'm gonna use the mousse and the gel, and they're both supposed to keep down frizz, so we're gonna find out. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the gel, you can't really smell the grapeseed like you could in the other products. That's kind of disappointing. Make sure my hair is extra detangled. Okay, we're gonna go in with the mousse. And I've also heard be very light-handed with these so you don't get a residue. The mousse does give some good definition. Just no hold. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the gel. Okay, first two twists looking good and juicy. juicy. Okay, we got the front section done all up, looking good and juicy. All right, we're gonna keep going and do the rest, and I'll speed it up for y'all, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, so we're done. Everything's looking good and juicy. I'm gonna go sit on the dryer, and then I'll be back with my final results.